Hey guys, this is our outside stainless steel bench. Who has an outside workshop with a stainless steel bench? Pretty awesome. Yeah, it's not the cleanest. We do a bit of spray painting on it, and of course, you know, a bit gets wet and whatever, but we clean these components, somewhere to lay them out. What I wanted to point out in this video is, once again, backing up that be careful where you go scenario. Now this water pump, this is a Hilux here. Let's have a quick look over here on the vehicle, right? The Hilux. 1 kD FTV, about an 08 or 9, whatever it is, doesn't matter, they're about the same, 7, 8, 9, whatever, and even the new ones, but just different injectors, same thing, same. So recently he had the water pump replaced. Well, at some stage, we'll say, for accuracy, so that we're not wrong, because sometimes we're wrong, at some stage he had the water pump replaced. The owner had the water pump replaced. It was replaced by a Toyota dealer, okay? So that's where it goes there, the big one-piece water pump. A couple of things I'd like to note about the job is, look, I know they just replaced the water pump using the correct part number, but as we say, you're gonna save a lot of work by using the two-piece pump. Now, first big problem that we had was, you know, we thought, is there extra bolts we've forgotten? You know, hey mate, you didn't have your morning coffee or something like that, you know, because the water pump wouldn't come off. It should just, once the bolts are out, it should pretty well fall off, a gentle tap. But see that they put all this RTV black silicone, they love to use that black stuff, just like what was all over the valve cover when they had the valve cover off to check the valve clearances, right? I believe that was, yeah, anyway. You know, we're going around in circles here talking about the same thing. Careful where you go and who you trust. You just don't need education for everyone. You don't need, moving forward, you don't need to put RTV, anything on any of the genuine Toyota gaskets. Now, this is a genuine Toyota water pump, right? It says Aisin on it, that's who makes it, right? Toyota, right? It's a genuine pump. And you can see the problem. The timing belt goes over the covers there. The tensioner and everything goes over here, and there you can't get the thing off when the water pump leaks. Just going to move this out of the way so it doesn't get wet, because I'm causing problems up here now. That's what I do, bloody making videos, causing problems. Anyway, the two-piece pump unbolts from 1, 2, 3, 4, you know what I mean, 1, can't even count, can I? 1, 2, well, there's normally another one there. So I'm even losing my count because, yeah, it's a little bit different when you've got the two-piece pump. But the point is 6 bolts, all right? Not these ones behind here and not those ones there, and you'd normally be able to change that water pump. Bada bing, once it's done, it's done. But so it's poor man pays twice. Not necessarily a poor man all the time, but it's just the saying, do you know what I mean? It's a waste of money not doing the right components and the right work. You know, if it was done right the first time using the two-piece pump, in our opinion, then we wouldn't even be here doing this. We would have been, okay, a pump's been changed, we can skip that, or we can even just change the front and save all the extra labor, which is what we're doing. To the vehicle side of things, you can see even the key weights. I suppose, you know, it's not bad that it's silicone, and then you can't lose it, right? So careful you don't lose the key weight if you take and you have to take the cam sprocket off to get blah, 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 all this gear off to do the one-piece pump. For the two-piece pump, you don't need to do that, because the whole backing, what I call the backing plate, stays back here, and the water pump just comes off from now on. We put the two-piece water pump, which we supply in our BFE kits on Wednesdays from 7:30 AM. You can text me for all the Prado and Hilux 1 KDs in the BFE kit. Search our BFE videos in the playlist if you want to know more about the BFE kit. Anyway, Wednesdays for BFE kits. We just changed things a little bit, that's all. We've got lots of videos showing you about this, so we don't want to make it too boring going over the same things. The videos are there. You need to go and watch those. We put them in the playlist to make it even easier for you to find. But if you search on our channel, BFE, you're going to have a whole heap of videos to watch and get yourself educated. So what it does, the problem is, so we finally get it off, that's all right, but then there's a whole heap of cleaning. And silicone, you know, like it sticks to you know, with the injectors on this, and there's a whole heap of, that's where you can see what this mess here is. We've done the best we can. Obviously, you don't get to this side. We'll clean up this side a little bit more. But at the top, there's all this time cleaning. See how we do it? You can see the evidence. We've worked on it, right? It's factory. It's the grey stuff, and there's 4 little dobs at each side of the half moon in that corner there, and you'll see one round there, right? Simple. That's how we do. We do it same as factory does it. Factory works, factory design. It's usually 99% of the time we agree what they originally designed. Sometimes things change, like the water pump, the one-piece water pump. Dumb idea. You should never, Toyota should never be able to sell one of those again if people watch, subscribe, turn the bell on, because you're going to go, that makes sense. Why would you put a one-piece pump when you can put a two-piece pump? We've been doing two-piece pumps, converting them over for years, never had a problem. So don't try and tell me, oh, you need the one-piece pump because anything, because we've been doing it and it works and it's end of story. So that's it, case closed. But it creates a lot of extra cleaning. It creates another slab of Heineken. Oh, you like a bit of slab of Heineken. Here we go. So at the end of the day, you know, take it to whatever other workshops or dealerships you want to take it to. They can mess it up and we get it. You get beer because it went somewhere else first. He's happy, mate. He's smiling. Happy days, right? What I'm saying is save us all some time. Let's make, I'm into value for money, efficiency, right? I'll give you genuine, real information. I'm here to help. Bada bing. All right. So that's it. Another short video. I don't know if there's anything else to leave in this one. I just wanted to point out that, oh yeah, you know, somebody's worked on it before, reputable place. Client tells me it was a Toyota dealer, okay? We're in the northwest, he's in the northwest side of Melbourne, let's say more north, you know. Could have been near the airport. Doesn't really matter which dealer, because it's widespread that the people at the back of them, they are not completing works. Even though they're factory trained technicians, they're not completing the work as per the workshop manual. We've got a genuine Toyota here, we've got a genuine water pump, but we've got a non-genuine bloody Celastic job, RTV, silicon, whatever you want to call it. There was a non-genuine job down there and it's a non-genuine job under the valve cover. I'm going to check with the client tonight, and if we talk about it anymore, you know, it might be in another video, it could be in our Facebook groups or pages, that sort of thing. So check all those out. Tell you what I'll do, I'll put a couple of photos of our Facebook groups and pages up for you, for those that missed it, and we'll call it a video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. You know, smash the like button so we know what you like, and YouTube knows what you like. And subscribe, turn the bell on so you don't miss the next one.